Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Firstly, go to shopify.com/store login. Enter your store credentials and access your Shopify admin dashboard. Now on the bottom left corner of your dashboard, click Settings. This is where you manage all your store details including billing and plans. Inside Settings, click Plan and you'll see two options, Deactivate Store or Change Plan. Just click Deactivate Store to begin your cancellation process. Shopify will show you a few important reminders such as what happens to your data and billing after canceling. Read them carefully, then click Continue if you're sure. Now Shopify will ask why you're closing your store. Just choose a reason from the drop-down list and click Continue again. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Just enter your password, then click Deactivate Store to finalize your cancellation. That's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.